how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So as we all know, October month has started, which means so last October मैंने पहली बार Halloween मेकअप लुक करा था. बट मैंने लास्ट अक्टूबर पूरे मंथ में सिर्फ एक ही लुक करा था बिकॉज आई एम नॉट वेरी गुड एट दीज स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स SFX मेकअप एंड ऑल बट आई लव डूइंग देम. तो दैट वाज जस्ट वन टाइम ट्राई. बट इस टाइम मैंने सोचा है कि पूरे अक्टूबर में मेरी जितनी भी वीडियोस आएगी, आई गेस देयर विल बी 5 Saturdays, so 5 videos only on Halloween makeup. So मैं 4 to 5 videos बनाऊंगी Halloween makeup look पे and I will go from very easy to a little difficult. Gradually I will move on the difficulty ladder. So आज is look number 1 and it's gonna be very simple. Like hopefully I think it will be very simple and I think it will be a little cute. Like मेरे mind में तो यही simple सी cute सा idea है, but let's see how it turns out. So without any further ado, let's begin. So let's start with the eyes. Eyebrows are done, so we'll directly move on to the eyeshadow part. And उसके लिए सबसे पहले I'll apply this छोटू सा cute सा, just like me, Clarins का instant concealer. Now I will take Huda Beauty का Coral Obsession palette and I will apply this shade on the transition area. Just remember कि बहुत थोड़ा सा लगाना है just to give the eye a color. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना. Now I will take this color from the same palette and इसको सिर्फ inner corner of the eye में लगाना है. Now next is eyeliner and I will be applying Revlon का Color Stay Skinny Liquid Liner. Next is mascara and I'm applying Clarins का Supra Volume Mascara. Now we'll move on to the face and उसके लिए सबसे पहले I will apply my Colourpop का Flawless Finish Primer. This is really nice and you should definitely try it out. Plus you have my Colourpop का discount code, so you can get 20% off on all your orders on every product on their site. So don't miss out this opportunity. Now we'll apply the foundation and uske liye I'm going in with Colourpop's 24 Hours Weightless Liquid Foundation. Again, new launch, amazing product. You always have my code. Go buy it right now. Now we'll apply the concealer and I'm again using this cute Clarins का instant concealer. This concealer is amazing. Next we'll apply kajal and I'm using this MAC का polarized kajal. Basically it's a white kajal. So now for contouring, मैं face पे कुछ contour नहीं करी because starting में मैंने आपको बताया था I'm thinking of doing a cute Halloween makeup look. So उसमें I don't want to define my jaws or cheekbone, but I still want to define my nose a little bit. So I'll be doing only nose contouring. And उसके लिए I'm using Colourbar's Flawless Touch Contour and Highlight Kit in 001 Neutral. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and इस पे I'll take the product and पूरे nose पे I'll apply the contour. Oh, this looks so funny. But now I'm gonna take Huda Beauty का baking powder and I will just dip it with my beauty blender and बस nose के side पे I will apply it. And lastly I'm gonna apply this same red color जो हमने पहले apply करा था on my lower lash line. And now we come to the main part of this video, which is to create something different, something spooky and cute, everything together. So for that I am using this palette again, and I'm using the same red color, and with a very small brush I'm gonna make a outline of something कैसे कैसे समझाऊँ मैं, like इधर से आ रहा होगा and it will go like this pointy way में upwards. So I'm just gonna make a outline right now. Let's see. I'm scared. Why does it look like a red Eiffel Tower? And same thing इधर से नीचे. This one looks nice, but this one looks like Eiffel Tower. Now I'm gonna take this lipstick. It's by Lakme. It's matte melt liquid lip liner. It's in the shade Crazy Tangerine, and it's almost like my nail polish. And I'm gonna color this drawing on my face with this lipstick. And with a very tiny brush, I will fill it in. Okay, I guess the eyes are done. अब मैं lips पे चलती हूँ, and उसके लिए I will just widen my smile using the same lipstick, and I will just create, you know, you got it. So first I'll just draw the new smile. Now just color the lips also. Okay, I applied some false eyelashes and mascara on the eyes, and the eyes look much better now. पहले थोड़ी सी dull लग रही थी. And now we move on to the last step, which is the nose. And उसके लिए भी I am using the same palette and the same red color, and I will apply it इधर एकदम टिप पे. And I'll just apply a little bit of highlighter to it. Okay, now I think a little freckles over here will really look cute. So I'm just gonna grab a brown eye pencil and make some freckles. And this is it. This is our final Halloween makeup look part 1. I really hope that you guys had fun and enjoyed watching this video. I really like this look. I think it is different, spooky and cute. I was successful in putting all three together. So I'm really happy with the look. I really hope that you guys also liked it. And don't forget to like this video and share it. अगर आपको पसंद आई हो, अगर आपने एंजॉय करा हो, एंड सब्सक्राइब तो कर ही देना अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं करा है तो, प्लस कमेंट करके मेरे को नीचे बता देना आपको ये लोग अच्छा लगा या नहीं लगा, एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी अदर सजेशन फॉर मी फॉर माई अपकमिंग हैलोवीन लुक्स, आई माइट इवन डू वन ऑफ योर सजेशंस, सो यू नेवर नो। तो DM ईमेल, कमेंट, कुछ भी कर देना जो भी आपको ठीक लगे। एंड या स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर मोर Halloween videos, and I will definitely see you all with another Halloween look in my next video. Bye.